Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make this delightful, tasty pumpkin chicken soup. So delicious. Alright, so let's get into it and see how it's done. Alright, so I'm using my choice of chicken is some chicken wings. I already cleaned them, so I'm going to start a season first with some lime juice to get that fresh, get rid of that fresh scent. Then I'm going to add a generous amount of homemade green seasoning. Then I'm going to add some garlic powder, onion powder, and seasoning salt. And then I'm going to just mix everything together. You could add your own seasoning, of course. So next I transfer the seasoned chicken to my pot. I'm going to add some pumpkin that I had in the freezer. Then I'm going to fill the pot with water and put the pot on the stove and let the chicken cook very well. I basically want to have the meat dropping off the bones of the chicken. So here's the soup boiled along together with the pumpkin and the chicken, and allowing that cook for a little while until it's nice and tender. The pumpkin will start to break up and everything. So my choice of ground provision that I'm going to add to this soup is some tanya and some yam. So I'm going to peel them nicely and wash it and cut them up into smaller pieces. So here I go. The tanya comes like a nice thickener to the soup. If you guys are familiar with ground provision, Edo's is also good to thicken the soup, but the tanya does a good job as well. The pumpkin gives the soup a nice color, and it too also thickens the soup as well. So delicious, guys, so delicious. I'm accustomed to making my soups with yellow split peas, but I found that just using pumpkin alone makes me super happy. Makes me super happy. And it's good for babies too as well. You know, make a nice little pumpkin soup for them and they will enjoy that. So here's the soup coming along nicely. The pumpkin is breaking up very well. The chicken is almost tender. So now I'm going to add the cleaned, peeled ground provision and allow it to cook again. So here I go. So guys, in case I didn't mention, right, for my people who are vegans, you can eliminate the chicken and do everything else just without the chicken, so you can have your nice vegan pumpkin soup. So I'm going to add some water to the pot to allow the ground provision to cook nicely. So I'm going to add some seasoning salt and a generous amount of parsley flakes. Okay, here's my soup coming along nicely. It's done, nice and thick, flavorful. So I'm going to turn off the stove and allow it to cool so I can pour out some for myself and enjoy. Okay folks, so here's my soup. Let me just take a small bit to taste. It is so good, so flavorful, right? Let me just give it a nice taste and see how it is. So good, so good. I'm really going to enjoy this, guys.